Alright guys, next up on my messy table here, let's unbox the FT-65 from Yaesu. I know it's Yaesu, I'm just saying it funny. Alright, got some manuals, got some certificate, warranty card, and got the little handheld here, which is kind of small. So, sorry if I didn't show it to you well. That's kind of small. Let's take it out of the bag. And this one's made in China, guys. This is usually Yaesu's made in Japan, so kind of surprised to see this one was made in China. But yeah, it feels pretty good in the hands. It doesn't feel cheap or anything like that, so that's good. And then to go along with that, let me go ahead and raise the camera up just. All right, to go along with that, they give you a charging base. They give you an adapter for that charging base, which is stuck on there. And they also give you some plugs, depending on where you're at internationally. It looks like a European plug. And then we also get a belt clip. And then I'm guessing in here is going to be the battery. Yep, here's the battery. And here is the antenna. Cool. So we got everything we need right here. So awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and try and slide all this stuff back in here as best I can. And guys, whatever. And this Yaesu FT-65 is going to be one of our giveaway radios. So I hope you'll get a chance to enter to win this. So stay tuned on the channel, guys, and you'll learn how to enter those giveaways. I don't know why I can't get this back in here. Oh, that's because of that. Okay. All right. So that's the FT-65. And then we also got the, where is the programming cable? Oh. So we also got the RT-65 programming cable for that FT-65.